What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today it is time to get the differential out of the 370Z, weld it up and check it back in there because I have a drift event coming up in 3 days. I'm planning to take the Z out there and drift it 100% stock minus the welded diff, and there is an angle mod that I've heard that might work, give me a little bit extra angle. Before we get into this video, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, stay up to date with all the builds. Got the 370Z seat time car, the official daily drift car for now. Looking at the seat time, then we have all the E36s and S13 and 14. If you're new to the channel, go check out the videos for sure. Today it is time to pull the differential in this thing. We got to get it up in the air. I've taken a look at it once and it looks pretty straightforward. And the nice thing is that it's new, so nothing should be really rusted shut or rusted on there for this car, which will be really nice. Hopefully we can get it out and get into welding it and get it back in. Taking a quick glance under here in the differential. Looks like there's 4 bolts holding on the drive shaft. Those 2 big boys holding it onto the subframe. A couple of these axle bolts, and then I believe there's one big one running through the back subframe. I'm gonna go ahead and start undoing these little guys. It didn't look like it should take too long. I will have to take off the exhaust, however, and might have to do a little startup. I'm not sure where I'll take it off. I'll probably take it off right here at this little Y flange right here. Might have to do a start without these, without the cats and the massive muffler here in the back. And see what it sounds like. Just pulled the exhaust off the Z. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. You gotta give it a sound test. Every time you take your exhaust off, you gotta give it a little something. That was pretty loud. So I've been working at the diff here for about an hour, just got it out. It honestly wasn't too bad at all. Definitely helped being a new car without any rust on it. Only thing that was kind of rusted were the exhaust flange bolts. And it's for sure an open diff. The 370s came with LSD, but this is the base model, so I believe it is open. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it right now, crack the drain bolt, drain it out, and then bust off the cover. I might just bust off the cover and just pour it out from there. I gotta get it all cleaned up so early in the morning I can drop it off and get it welded up by a local shop of mine here. That way I'll have plenty of time tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, drift event is Saturday, so I definitely want to get it in the car. And then I heard of a little angle mod that people do to these things. There's like a little bump stop in here. It's kind of hard to see. That little round piece right here. Apparently what people do is they kind of grind that off or cut it down or whatnot, and that gives them a little bit more angle than stock, because this is stock currently and it's not a whole lot. But I don't know, I might fool with that later as long as I get the diff in and make sure that works and is welded along with the traction control fully off. This stuff smells so bad. Oh my god, look at that fluid. I don't know what the deal is, but it is open diff. I'm not gonna show you right now, I'm about to throw up. It's so gross. Andy? In 1 second. Day 2 of the 370Z diff. Just picked it up from getting welded. Got a little package in today. That's for the next video. Check out the nice tacks and the plates that were put in here by a local shop. Shout out to Jesse Albert here in Oklahoma. He hooked me up with this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of a wire brush, brake clean it out, let it cool down just a little bit longer. It's still a little bit warm. That way I can go ahead and throw my 7590 gear oil in, RTV the cover, get it back on and get it back in the car. That way I can go ahead and have some time today to break into these little guys. Hopefully we can get those on as well. Like I said, that'll be in the next video. So some guy just pulled up to the shop. He's like, hey, you guys want some E36 M3 parts? Long story short, he came back by and we ended up buying some stuff from him. He didn't have a whole lot. We ended up with this trunk that's actually really nice paint. It's black. And a whole bunch of other just little miscellaneous stuff. This is not from E36. He just gave it to us. Like a fuse box, fog lights, and some other few little things. I guess he just drove by and saw all these beauties out here. Knew we were the guys. Jordan picked up some new Corbos. They're, wow, they look really blue on camera. Because they are really blue. But this guy also dropped off some manuals. He's just like, here, you can have these. It's an M3. This is all like the electrical stuff for, I guess, a 90s M3. Along with a 5 Series and another 5 Series. But, I don't know, it's kind of cool stuff. Fast forward a little bit, just got the differential back in the 370Z. Now we're going to go ahead and take it off the lift, test it out. Hopefully it's all good. Hopefully all the traction control is fully turned off. We'll have to tackle that tonight as well. Glad I'm not waiting to the last minute to get this ready for the event. Picked up some tires today as well. Just picked up some 265 Kindas. That's what I'm going to be running on these white wheels here. I need to mount a couple up probably tonight or tomorrow. Hoping that's not too wide for the 370. I might have to change up the tire pressure a little bit to get it how I need it.
You tell me you don't got a reverse camera? It's 2014.
Base model.
Surprise. Hey, that's a good sign.
work. Hey.
Kick the clutch. Yeah! Dude, it sounds like Andy's.
Good. Sounds like drifts. What?
It's a little too quiet for my taste. Oh, sorry.
Drive straight still? Straight enough.
Oh,
There you are.
There he
are.
is.
Hey you guys, it's me. You know me.
Oh, should have come the heck. All right, so we did some donuts. We forgot to record it, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it again. Nothing wrong with that.
Hear that? That's the ABS. I need to pull the fuse. All right, let's go. All right, we're done. We're done.
Low-key,
for the night.
low-key,
We're done for the
low-key.
night. We're done for the night. We're done. That's it. That's it, guys. Oh, getting greedy with it. Oh, that was close. That was so close. Jack Davis, natural element, craftsmanship level. Alright guys, pretty much got the 350Z all set up. I think I'm going to wait to put the BC coilovers on until next event, but it's going to be really fun drifting a stock 370Z. Make sure to stay tuned for that video. It should be coming out here in a few days. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.